It's still early now. Even if she's awake, my mom won't allow her to do this.
Fine, I came to see you.
You came to see me? From you came to see Giovanna, you came to see me. Okay, what is it?
You know I love you. And I don't care if you love me or not. Just take me as I am.
There is time for everything. But you look like our love. Besides, I'm your brother's best friend. I cannot date you. Respect that fact. Please. This is early morning. Let me go. Bye, Zulia.
God is faithful. God is never a man. He only creates us to love one another. Humanity is the best. Love is the best. You have a good heart. Keep it high. There is always a blessing in doing good. You will see favor in God. You will see no shame at all. You have a good heart. You have a love.
He's so worried. About what is happening to him. You know, for some months now, he hasn't humped down any animal. I told him to calm down. That he will get a very big one soon.
It is better he calm down. Yes. He is the best hunter. Very soon, he will regain his position as the best hunter in this whole community. Eh? Patience matters a lot. Let him calm down.
Mama, you know this is really affecting us. You know that we have not eaten good food for the past few months now. Only yam and oil.
And we will stick to that yam and oil.
Mama.
You see that yam and oil? We will stick to it. Do you want me to go and steal?
Mama.
Hey! My daughter-in-law. Hey, sit down, sit down. Izunna, come on, your wife is here to change your diet. No more yam and oil today. God has just sent you. Hey. Hey. Oh. God bless you. God bless you. Izu!
Thank you so much, our wife. Mama, both of you will eat this one. Let me go to my friend's house to eat.
To eat what?
To eat food there now.
No. Izuna, we eat this one. Both of us. Giwa, Namua, we eat yam and oil.
Yam and oil again.
Oh, evolve.
Mama, I'm not eating it all. I want to go to my friend's house.
You change your diet. Okay, because this food I brought will be enough for you and it.
Really?
Shema has already built herself. She's a big girl. She can take care of herself.
Thank you.
Go to your friend's house.
Okay, Mama. I'm going.
Go where?
Mama, let her go.
Come back here!
Mama,
Mother Queen!
Let her go.
Come back!
Mama, I'm coming.
Let her go. You have saved her. It's okay. You said it's inside.
Yes.
Why you say no? Go and check.
Obi! Find out!
He's inside, oh.
Excuse me. I'm sorry if it seems I'm bothering you. I just want you to know that I'm not the same person I used to be. I want to ask for your forgiveness. If any way I've wronged you, I'm sorry.
Okay. I have heard you. Can I go now?
No. I also want to let you know that I love you very much. And I want you to be mine.
Zubby, I am in a serious relationship right now. It would never have worked out between us. I am sorry. Can I go now?
No problem.
Mama, this is sweet. It's very sweet.
Enjoy it.
It's very sweet.
When I'm making progress, talking about money, making money, support me. Okay. So that you'll be enjoying things like this.
It's very sweet. Best chef.
Best chef.
Mama can cook.
My legs are long, oh. Whose birthday is this?
I don't understand. must still be a bad day before we will enjoy ice fish. This is ice fish, it's not chicken.
Shoma. No, Mama. This is not what I meant. I meant to say you guys are enjoying.
Shoma, let me go and bring some food to eat.
If you're going to bring that food for her, make sure you don't put meat, else you will starve.
Why? Mama.
Mama what? Mama what? You ask, are you not eating meat?
Mama, this is Choma.
Uburago.
This is Choma, Izuna's sister. Who has been giving us meat for years now in this house.
That was then. Was it still giving? Since your brother traveled, has he brought anyone? To show that all this while he was showing love was fake.
Mama.
Papa.
Mama, you want to understand though. We have been suffering. Yes.
People have been suffering?
Yes.
Why?
My brother has never been able to hunt down any animal for the past 6 months.
Oh my God.
We have not been eating well since. You want to understand this?
Have you seen it? What about that boy in Nanya? Meaning all this while he has been hunting down animal. He's been using my son's star. Now that my son has traveled, no hunting down again. Yet he's been called best hunter in the kingdom. Best hunter in 6 months has not hunted down anything.
Mama.
I got them before property.
What are you saying now? What are you saying? Mama, please. I want to ask you one thing. Did I or any member of my family did anything wrong to you?
Hey, when I make a really you.
Me.
When it should have been in your house now, having a nap. It's afternoon. People are eating on here.
Mama.
Mama,
what is it now?
You came to monitor if my son has started sending money or not.
What are you saying?
Well, he sent money. If the money he gave me,
Mama.
Mama, what is it?
What are you saying?
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, you're still here.
Sorry.
It's okay, you're still standing here.
It's
okay, you should be. No, stay here.
Mama, don't worry.
Come on, stay.
Mama, I don't like this thing.
Mama,
this thing you're doing is not fair.
Leave me now.
Mama, I said I don't like this thing you are doing.
No,
wait, Mama, wait.
No.
Mama.
Those people are going to starve.
No. Mama.
Once you start dodging me, you starve.
No, Mama, it's not like that. Like that. You should not. Remember, let's see.
Papa.
This one you are smiling and laughing. You didn't win the lottery.
This one is more than lottery.
Are you serious?
Yes, I have very good news. Hey, do you know that your brother has just sent back the documents with which you will process your travel to Obodo Oyibo, America? That is it.
Papa is a lie.
Look at it.
Papa is a... Let me see. What? Papa, give... Let me see.
Wait.
Let me see.
Go and dress well. Let us go and see Igwe Akokaria.
Papa, let me see first.
No.
Biko. Look at my name.
You can't see your picture.
I'm going.
Give me. Go and dress up, eh? Let's go and share the good news with Igwe Akokaria. Eh?
Papa, no. I don't want to go. I have somewhere I want to share my good news with.
Nzube. Be careful who you share your good news with. Because not everyone who smiles with you is your friend. People are not exactly what they appear to be. Eh?
Papa, no problem. I'm not a child. I can take care of myself.
That's true. You're not a child. After all, you'll be going to Obodo Oyibo.
Yes.
Let me go and see Igwe Akokaria.
Okay, Papa.
See, Nzube.
Sir?
See this document?
Yes, sir.
Keep it very well for me. Don't take it to go and share your good news. Oh.
No problem, Papa.
Keep it safe for me, eh?
I got you.
Let me go and share the good news with my good friend.
I got you, Papa. Go and come back. I'm going. Look at my name and picture. Hey!
Choma, this one you're shaking your head like this. What is it? What happened?
Mama.
Hmm?
Hey! 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 Hey!
Hey. Choma, stop shouting. Tell me what happened.
Mama, this world is filled with wicked people.
Mm-hmm.
Betrayers!
Mm-hmm. I'm all ears. I'm still listening.
Hey!
So, what is it?
Mama, you won't understand. You won't understand.
Eh? An old woman like me will not understand what you little girl saw or experienced. Okay, tell me, what is it? I will understand. I will do.
Mama, I couldn't even believe what I saw with my 2 eyes. Today, I couldn't even believe it.
Okay. Talk now.
Now, hurry up. Now, come and settle this.
I'm coming, oh, Papa.
Hold on, please. Let me see the other customers. Oh?
You went to be expecting this. Just shock me. Just 6 months of another travel.
Coming back to my talk, when I told you America, if you see America, is the land of opportunity. So you were doing me.
America is the land of opportunity. Why haven't you made it? I'll be American money the wrong farmer.
Okechukwu mother that used to spend 500 naira on meat before is not the one that is going places buying big frozen chicken. Have you seen the lab?
So because of 500 naira chicken, does that mean that Okechukwu have made it?
You're not current. You're not. See, that's why I know they like to talk to you. You're not current. Go to the market and see the way she's spending money. She's wearing big fine clothes.
Why would you know they send us?
Now when I give them the money, now when I make money for them, that will not concern me. I mean, I don't talk to woman.
Oh, you don't reach time for chicken now. You collect your own. I know you know if you talk.
Not 500 naira chicken. 500 naira chicken is the past tense. That she buys food.
Igwe Africania. Hey, Okoma. Akwụkwọ obodo okwu ji eme ọnụ. Odu ndị agha anyị aga ije. Hey, lọlọ, ọmarịcha lọlọ. Osodi eme, amama asa ahụ, amama amụrị mmụrị. Obi bụ aṅụrị. Obi na-eme poli. Igwe Africania. Pam. Hey, pam. Igwe. Hey, thank you very much, my good friend. Thank you!
Oh no, you're so happy today.
Yes.
If your wife were to be alive, I would have asked if she just gave birth to a set of twins. What's with the happiness, please?
Lolo, if my wife were still to be alive and I was on top of her, Lolo, I will still exude this happiness, multiple and bountiful. Lolo, the kind of happiness in me now cannot be overestimated nor underestimated.
Well, no, please clear the air. Don't keep us hanging.
Igwe, hey, do you know that my son, Tochukwu, the one Pisochendo took to America, the former bad boy of our community, Igwe, has just sent across documents for his brother Nzube to process and travel to America. Obodo Yibo.
This is great news indeed.
This is great news and it calls for celebration.
Oh, yes.
Please, we need drink. God! Please get drinks from the bar. We have to celebrate.
Oh my God.
I agree with you. Oh no, I am so glad that your son has decided to give you people a facelift. You know, this is a great news indeed. And of course, my wife has already set the floor.
Excuse me, everybody.
It's all right. You see, that's why I talk about people prospect, you know. When the youth is going out, make out some certain opportunities being deposited in the community.
Okay, now. Yes, I want you to build a house fact, let us start constructing a house immediately in this village. A mansion, a befitting mansion. Yes! So that everybody in this village, every Dictum and Harry, will know you are the son of a tigress. And that is me. I am the tigress.
Mama, let me
talk to you, brother. Oh my God! You see? Sorry. Before we continue, your sisters, they want to talk to you. You know, for some time now, they've not been able to hear from you, and I refuse to give them your number. Yes. Okay, talk to them. Hold on for them.
Hello, brother. Brother, good afternoon. Oh, it's morning. Hey, Obodo Ibo. Hey, brother, I want to ask you something now. Brother, why is it that you and Mama not treating Brother Izuna nice? Brother, that's what the promise you and Mama made to him before you travel out of the country. Oh. Hello?
Give me that phone. Give it to me. Give me that phone now. I'm not being here. Hello, now. Hello? Hello? Have you seen what you have caused? Have you seen what you have caused? Have you seen it? The happy conversation I was having with my son, you have ruined with sadist. Ekwensu. Oh, nah. Hey, nah. I know you are angry. Okay, you are angry. No problem. You call back. No problem. Thank you so much. Thank you for calling back. At least to pacify me. Thank you, Mom. Bye-bye. You see? He has respect. Look at the way he called back to appease his mother. I know you post problem. It's the overfeeding. You know, you eat 4 or 5 square meal. You eat first meal, you eat in between, you eat breakfast, you eat lunch, you eat dinner. No, I cut it down. Mama. From now going forward, you eat 0, 0, 0, 0, 1.
Ah, Mama, now. Mama, what you are
doing? So that people have sense.
Mama.
No, come now, Jack. I will slap your face.
Mama, what you are doing is not good. Did you not do a bad thing to your brother Okechukwu?
Mama, me I always tell the truth though. What you do is not nice.
In my house.
Yes, I always tell the truth, Mama. What you do is not nice. So Mama,
you're telling me the truth.
Mama, my food though.
In my house. You're telling me in my house. You're telling me. No, come and stand. Let's judge case, you idiot. Do I blame you people? Come and be this in the bus now. Stupid.
What is it? I just got on the phone with Ochendo. So?
He said Okechukwu is fine. That he's earning as much as Tochukwu is earning in his company.
Mom! Don't mom me! What is the mom for? Your village crush was the one who threw away the very beautiful opportunity given to him. Yes! My son gave him the opportunity to become a better man. But no! He wants to be a hunter here in the village. So whatever comes out of it, he should be able to bear it.
But Mom, there was an agreement.
Really?
Yes.
A written agreement or was an oath taken? My dear, your brother gave him the opportunity to become a better person, to make a better use of his life. But no! He decided to remain in this village and be a hunter. He gave him another opportunity to go and think about his decisions. But he still decided to remain here. So whatever Okechukwu does to him right now, he should bear it. He should take it as his fate. Yes.
Mom, you should call Ochendo. Tell him to remind Okechukwu about his promises.
My darling, with or without Izunna and Onowu's sons, my son would have still left the country with 2 young men from the community. So my dear, I advise you to move on with your life. Stop all this. Stop all this. Stop shedding tears for a local village boy. And need I remind you that you wouldn't get married to a hunter. Yes, my only daughter would not get married to a hunter. So stop turning down suitors and focus on your life. Have I made myself clear? You're crying over someone that doesn't even know you're crying. He's not even aware you're crying here. He's not even aware you're pacing around the room up and down because of a village champion that doesn't want to make use of his life. That so you will not marry a hunter.
Hey! You need to see what happened. Zubby will just buying things here and there, spending money, spraying money. In fact, today we sold what we never sold for a very long time. Zubby is money. Zubby is go. Hey! I said, Zubby, is this you? Zubby will just cash.
This is very important. The one I know.
Zubby that you know now.
Where did he get money from? Did they win a lottery?
No, far from that. See, what I heard was his brother Igwe sent him some. In fact, as I'm talking to you now, they are processing his visa. Zubby is leaving this country. Zubby was here celebrating every bishop. Zubby is seriously in money. Well, see,
are you serious about what you just said?
See, if I am telling you something, you should always believe me. I told you, go and check our boss. There's a lot of money. Now, Zubby spent a lot.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. I've told you to stop coming to my house. So what are you doing here?
It's because I have invited you severally and you wouldn't come to my house. You have turned down all my invites. So I don't have any other option than to come to look for you. If Mohammed does not go to the mountain, mountain will come looking for Mohammed.
My mountain does not have anything to do with your Mohammed. So what will I be coming to do in your house? You are not my friend. Your daughters are not my friend. I did not plant any crop in your compound. So what will I be coming to do?
You have business in my house. And the business you have in my house is beyond you, my child. I am giving you an opportunity. A golden opportunity to get married to an American citizen. My wife, once you marry a citizen, you're already a citizen.
You know, I've not really told Izuna about all these things you've been up to. You know why? Because you know the kind of person Izuna is. I don't want this to be an escalated issue. So please, respect yourself and stop coming to my house with your impossible illusions. Please.
And if you tell the Izuna, what will he do? Do I look like a bushmeat? Ene komwada, nchi. Kopokopine. Which one do I look like? So he won't basically not do anything. Because I am not a bushmeat. He will hunt down.
I'm still confused. I'm trying to understand why you are doing all this. Why do you want me to leave Izuna because of Okechukwu, your son? Knowing fully well that these two are best of friends. And that your son is owing my man Izuna an American visa. You want me to betray him and go for your son?
Now wait a minute. Did you just say American visa? If Okechukwu should give Izuna an American visa, what use would it be? Of what use would it be to Izuna? Okay, if Izuna should get to America, what will he be doing there? There are no bushes, there are no wild in America. America is a civilized country, waiting for civilized people. And Izuna knows this. That was why he turned down the American offer and begged Okechukwu to go in his stead.
Enough. I've had enough. I've taken enough of your insults because as it is, you are insulting me. It's okay. I will pretend like we didn't have this conversation. I'm not going to mention this to Izuna because I know that even your son is not aware of all this your evil plotting. You are doing it on your own, looking for where to fix troubles where there are none. But please, like I said earlier, I don't want to ever see you come to look for me in my house. The only thing that should bring you to my house is maybe to come and drink. My name is Emir. Just that.
Njideka, you know Okechukwu.
I don't even know what you want to explain. What is it that you don't understand? Stop coming to my house. That is the only thing I will tell you. The next time I see you, honestly, I will forget that you are old enough to be my mother.
Don't be angry. I actually came to give you some money. If you want, I can bring it and give you.
You need the money more than I do. I got it now.
It's not make sense.
My bosom friend, Enika one nemo, Afuro Mary
Good day, ma'am. No. Yes. Sorry, the car is dirty because I drove all the way from Lagos. And are you Nedley, Okechukwu's mother?
Yes, I am Nedley, Okechukwu's mother. Any problem?
Okay, fine. He asked me to give the car to you.
Eh?
Yes.
To give the car to me?
Yes, the car is yours.
Hey. This car?
Yeah.
Hey!
Mama, this is very sad.
Sorry, ma'am. There is something else.
Mom! Hi! Mom! This is very sad, Mama.
This phones, he asked me to give these phones to you.
Hey! iPhone.
There are 4 phones and he said 1 for you, 2 for his sisters.
Hey.
And again, there is this person he mentioned. Okay, Njideka, yeah, his girlfriend.
Hey.
Yes, exactly, yeah.
Hey!
Thank God.
I had to configure the phones, the SIMs and everything is inside. So the packs are inside the car.
Hey!
Are you serious? Yes, that's the pack.
Hey! What? Church Zaria. Shift. Shift! Mama. Shift on, let me enjoy the motor.
Mama, listen now. We just want to see now. We are.
Are you not seeing the car enough?
No, I want to see
inside now.
I don't understand. Only I go to motor each. The person that will enter first each. I don't understand. Wait, let me enjoy the car. Then I'll tell you how it tastes. Then you can come inside if I want you to.
He likes to put too much.
Hey!
Mama, good afternoon. Izuna.
My son, how are you?
Fine. What did you get? I came to talk to you.
Please, whatever you want to say to me, just say it here.
Choma, please, I'm sorry. I came to apologize for all the time I caused you trouble and also intimidate you. It was because I love you. And I also came to tell you that I will be traveling to Lagos tonight. And my flight to America is 12 p.m. tomorrow. And
America?
Yes, Mama.
America.
Yes.
The main one.
The main America.
Okay. I need you to do me a favor. Right? Anything. When you get to America, help me look for it. See what is the problem. If it's fine, let us know. We should at least talk. Even if he's in prison, there is phone there. Let's hear from him, okay?
I can do that for you, but I will need your number so I can pass information to you directly.
Yes.
Call my sister's number. Give him your number. Sister Ibiakwa. Get close to him so that you have one person abroad.
At least.
You know any other person outside this country.
Outside this village, that's the country.
Please make sure you help me find
No problem, Zuma, I got you.
He's inside.
It's ringing.
Yeah, he's inside.
It's inside the room.
Okay, I'll call you as soon as I get there.
Oh, yeah, see him off.
Mama, he knows
Jama, see him
See
off.
you have 5 years more. We need to get how far.
Okay, Mama.
America.
Okay.
Hold her tight.
Okay, handle it here. No problem. Ah, Shama, you
Zubby, to be honest with you, I am in a relationship with someone else. I don't want to deceive you.
Yes, I know. I know of your relationship with Okechukwu.
Who told you that?
Have you forgotten who I used to be? I know of your secret romance with Okechukwu.
Then why do you still want me?
Because I know Okechukwu will never take you serious.
How do you mean?
He has never manned up to tell your brother that he loves you. And as it stands right now, he's even betraying your brother.
How?
I didn't want to tell you. Okechukwu is capable of fulfilling his promises, but his only focus of enriching himself and his family.
Zubby, are you trying to tell me that Okechukwu is in good health and comfortable in America? That he is not only betraying my brother, he is also betraying me.
Unfortunately.
No, this is not fair.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Hey! Open romance. People have secret romance. I told my son never to take you seriously. He should not shower gift on you. What, Roya? You are busy flirting yourself all over the place with every man available. So you chose this one. You chose this one. He asked me for evidence. I quickly snapped you.
You did
when what? You were smooshing, kissing, romancing. So that I will send to my son.
You are a very wicked woman. You and your son can go to hell for all I care. I regret considering you as a mother.
So me, mother? I can never be your mother. I don't want to be a mother of a flirt. Me, a shower. I can never be your mother. I will send to him. Whenever you catch a thief, that's how a thief will run him out. That is what you are doing now. So you chose this Zolo. After I've tried to do something you chose over my son. Shame on you. Let me go to my car. My driver is carrying me. You're legging it. And open car, Zolo. Hey! Yeah, where the place?
This woman is very wicked. I swear to God. This woman is very wicked.
Bye bye, people. Oh, yeah, didn't they know where? Once you are alive, good thing will come. Ha! Injide Wunyemu. Fine girl. Why the man? How are you? Eh? Injide, what are you doing to yourself? Why don't you accept someone that thinks better and plans better? Eh? Come on, wait to see.
Mama Okechukwu.
Enne.
Please, I don't have strength for your sermons today. As you can see, I am already tired. I'm just coming back from the market and I have a lot to cook today. So please, don't even drain my strength.
That is because you want to stress yourself. Why don't you accept someone that will take care of you? Accept my son. He will transform your life. All this stuff for a bear. Am I not an evidence of transformation? Eh?
The transformation you are enjoying today is all thanks to Izunna. Don't worry yourself. Very soon, I mean very, very soon, he will be transformed also. And when he is being transformed, he will come for me.
Really?
Yes.
Why don't you join the moving train and stop hanging on hope? I
would rather hang on hopes than join an evil force to fight against an innocent man.
I don't want you to think that this is an action against anyone. Life and time happened to everyone. Have you tried to ask this your lover his plan for his future? Forever. Eh? Anyway, just give me a second. See the phone my son bought for you. No, he has a SIM already, so he has your number. People will be communicating with each other. This is an iPhone, it's an expensive phone. You can see all this is the type the young girls of these days like. You will love it. And everything, even the picture is very clear.
I sacrificed for you. I did my best for you.
No problem. Oga, Oga, driver, turn motor, let's go. What are you looking at?
Listen, don't forget she has siblings outside. Maybe they decided to remember her now that her son is alive. Or better still, it's someone's car. I don't believe that it's Okechukwu that sent that car.
He is the one who he sent the car. Brother, Okechukwu has disappointed us. He betrayed you.
I won't believe that. It's still early to judge him. Until I see Okechukwu with my two naked eyes. Or better still, until I hear his voice. I can't judge him. It's too early now.
But from what his mother told me...
Forget about what his mother said. I have no business with that. Until I hear from Okechukwu, let everybody rest in this case, please.
What kind of atrocity is that woman committing?
A disastrous one, Papa. You see, that woman is not even scared of anybody.
But seriously, I don't understand. How can Okechukwu be asking for my hand in marriage? Like, where is that coming from?
It's an act of accumulated jealousy and envy. That family has always compared themselves with that of Izunna's family. And for the fact that Izunna is doing better than Okechukwu, despite Okechukwu's academic qualifications, is a very big threat to them.
So he now wants to marry my own sister.
He may have admired your sister secretly, pretending to be happy with their relationship.
Papa, it's not a secret.
So why do you keep talking? Look, I'm done with school. Check me out. I am done with school, and very soon I will be done serving our father's land. Get a job, start making money, then take care of you. Yeah? You keep Nah, you know that if you don't force up, why don't you do it?
What's that one? Do you want to enter my mouth? What's the meaning of that? Huh?
Okay, so graduate.
Because graduate, whoever. The problem with you is that all you talk about is money, money, money. Do you think that everything is about money?
Everything is about money.
No! Everything is not about money. You have to develop feelings for someone before considering their financial stability. Look at you. You expect me to fall in love with you because of the money you think you will make. Did you want to show?
Money and body. Money is everything. Money rules the world. Look, I'm just telling you. I just want to let you know that we have a brighter future together. With you and I. Yeah? Sky is our starting point. You get to the point now. Yeah. It's not all these things. Let me take care of you.
Honestly, you are getting me so pissed. It's like nobody has told you the truth. Let me tell you now, okay, Chukwu? You see as your face is dark, that is how your future is dark. And I thought that your future man for anything. What is that one? Listen, let me tell you. I don't like repeating myself. I've told you severally that I am in love with Izunna. And the only reason I'm even still talking to you is to know if you will help me convince him to fall for me. If you know you don't want to help me, then let me be. Just tell me so that I'll know what else to do. Stop bothering my head with all this nonsense talk of yours. Now bouncing ball. What's that one? I beg you.
Izunna. You have a very long way to go with Izunna. That guy ain't your chichi. He's my friend, and I will tell you the truth. You
My love is gone.
He's not even your love. He's not your love and will never be.
I'm fine, oh. You're where? Are you serious? You're on your way to my shop. I stepped out to get something.
I just wanted to take your phone.
He actually asked me out first before Izunna became my friend. So now I know where all these are coming from.
The thing is, that family wants to be above every other family around this village.
Check for us, Hey, this thing I'm seeing on Facebook. Which Facebook? You want to start doing Facebook now? Please, Mama is back. Mama is back. Mama, welcome. Mama, why is your face like? Give me. Oh, Mama? Mama, what's the problem now?
Njideka rejected Okechukwu again today. Oh. She walked out on me when I was trying to give her the phone Okechukwu sent to her.
Mama, is that why you seize our own phones?
Is it not enough? What are you people doing to make Okechukwu happy? Everything Okechukwu is doing is for people to be happy. What are you people doing to make him happy? Can't you people go and convince Njideka to follow Okechukwu, your brother?
Mama, how do you expect us to go and convince Njideka to follow brother Okechukwu? What would that make us look like now?
However way it will make you look, I don't care. However way you will do it, I don't care. All I want is for you to go convince Njideka to follow your brother. If not, no goodies will come to you again. I will tell him to lock the tap. Hey, it will not flow to you again. I will enjoy everything and carry the consequences. He's my son.
Blood, my blood! You done show! Now you life and direct! My praise is too much. See See person pikin! Yeah, fam. When you two one package, please all package you. You dey feel that? You dey feel the other now? You dey feel the other? Hi!
Tobe Choko,
My praise.
I'm truly proud of you. You've been really reasonable. In fact, you actually disappointed me because I was just probably thinking you're going to do something different. Honestly, I'm really proud of you.
So thank you, my praise. So they learn from you now.
So anyway, in Zubby, you'll be here for like 2 weeks indoors so that you can get used to the weather. Okay? Yeah. Okay, my prince. Yeah, by that time I would have secured a job for him in the company. So
Thank you too much. Prince, not if you do you.
You don't address me as the prince here. You can call me the boss. That's okay.
You see my
king,
but if you insist,
boss,
no problem,
yeah.
boss.
Boss.
I'm a boss.
Prince the boss. But they don't go here on my side.
At all.
I'll catch you guys up later.
You know, Prince, not if you do you. Not if you do you.
Alright, boss.
Your face show, your shoe shine. See person begin. Clear up for that man, abeg. Yeah, that's so.
Man,
you dey see me volley.
Yo, babe, what are you still doing in there? Come on, babe.
I'm coming, babe.
Let's do this shit like never before. Yeah. My friend said,
No, have a seat.
I wasn't expecting you in my room. Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's okay. You seem kind of unsettled. Are you okay?
No, I'm fine. I'm okay.
I just want to inform you that Nzube already arrived at the country, actually just picking up.
Nzube, who's Nzube, sir?
Okay. Onowe's son, the one from the village.
Oh, Nzube, he's welcome to America. He's welcome.
I'm actually wondering why Izuna is not here with Nzube at the moment.
Oh, Izuna, my friend, you don't have to worry about Izuna. I've always been in contact with him, right? We have another different plan and we're working towards it. Okay?
Okay, so what kind of conversation have you guys been having, or what's the step, or what's the stage at the moment?
I spoke to him a few days ago and I sent him some money. We're actually planning to build a pure water company.
You see, it no be anything, no be too much deal, no be plenty work for me to send 4 leg to Palais for village. They feel me? But if to say do a Bobby, if I no feel lap America, because no be small bread I have put up to bring you. So this one where they say things and things, forget. We know where we invest.
So how come he's able to send cars and same time building a house? His mother, how come?
If you ask me, Sha, I don't know who me I go ask. But one thing when I know is you see that man, me and them, they earn the same money for this wood. They earn the same alawina. So until the one week on the time me say they cap me saying they do things and things, they buy cars, they still build house. Bobby, I don't understand that one or that level. Me, I don't know how it take come. Except see something on they play with me I no code. But I'll still find out on how it be. I will still play you tape.
Not be like Sha, but now we say Zuna know what they do. Because he said until he hears from Okechukwu, he would not believe anything at all.
Wait. Until they cap me now, we say Okechukwu never Tanana is Zuna for 4.
I swear, I did tell you. Now what is that Somali they tell me for village, your man?
I lose garden now.
Big one.
No, you don't go well now. No, if you do that kind of one, you know, me, you don't go well now. No be about that now. No legit.
I'm not sharp at all. So you dey observe me. What's happen?
You just cap Nana see, nah. Chioma na in the copy all these things. And they tell you things and things.
Yes, I'm sure.
I'm waiting. Madam de Nakana, abi?
No level, never did Nakana, my brother.
Shh. Oh, focus.
I declare you now.
You don't blow the girl, sure?
No.
You never blow.
We're just friends, bro.
You never blow.
I swear, we never.
You just friends.
I go lie for you.
Hey, hear English, bro. You just friends.
You do abroad now, so what you expect?
Come on, hold and stand. Don't go hold and stand.
I declare you, I go lie for you.
You never blow.
No,
you see, when they tell you things and things like that.
Declare you now, so you
believe. So what you have to do now? They read Bible or now they do gospel.
We dey read news together.
I know that I disembark from that unit. Your morale don't be like a come with and make for 4 days.
Ah, God, I'm not gonna lie. I dey miss you, that my vote is low.
No, you know, be as you get. You don't laugh, you say you don't laugh. As you go back with enough bread,
shut down.
You go nakana anybody wey want nakana.
Hey!
Anybody, nobody bununa. No don't worry, I go position you well.
I believe.
I go position you.
I believe.
Confirm.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. How may I help you?
We would like to have a conversation with you. That's if you don't mind.
I'm all ears.
Come on, not like this. At least, like, let's step out, hang out together as girl stuff, then we can have the conversation.
Yeah. Chill out with you as what? No, I don't understand. Chill out with you as what? Listen, it is too early to start wasting my time with you. If you don't want to say whatever it is that brought you to this place, please allow me focus on what I was doing.
Please, don't be too hard on yourself. You know, sometimes you do your girly stuff, have a good life. Just, you know, give us small time. Then you...
Njideka, wait, are you asking us to leave? Njideka, please now. Hey, I'm going to tell Mama now. Njideka!
Son, hurry up. No, these are not easy. They will soon be here. Just clean it and position it that side, okay?
Papa? Papa, I want to go out with Nkembe, Rim, and Ifunanya.
Go where now? Ifunanya and Nkembe, how?
Well, they are out there. They came and said they want to have some conversations with me. And I don't think it's a bad idea giving them some listening ears.
No. You're not going anywhere. Papa, she's not going anywhere.
What's that now? Why are you interrupting me? Let me talk to my father. Who are you?
Adosgo. She was talking to me now. I am still alive. He said he want to have some conversations with them, right?
Exactly, Papa.
You can go.
Papa,
you are
taking too much from how?
You will not be.
What kind of conversation can they have outside that they cannot have here,
My
Papa?
son, can you listen to me? There are things you cannot control. And when you see them coming, can you give
Papa, I don't understand.
Make sure you clean the chair. Make sure you clean it up.
My bosom friend, any can one more, a furo meriro.
With Ifunanya and then came to him. They were so happy. Chama, you saw. Chama, go and do what you're supposed to do this morning.
and leave people with the life they chose. Yeah, they were happy. They were in the car. They were in the... Chama. Let me go and see Manke Chinyere.
Mama.
Go inside and do your work. I am not happy. I am...
I took you like my blood. I took you into my life as my brother. We share a lot together. We eat together. We drink together. Ogini kameregi ijibu. What did I do that you broke my heart? My heart is shattered. This is not the plan. We what did I do? Please tell me, what is my crime? Any merenia, ogini kameregio.
Go quickly, go and continue. Why are you lazing around? Ah! You're just going to carry one small bag. Hey! Oya ka m nụrụ onu ya. Nnedile. Ọkwa n'eziokwu. Hey! Nnedile, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good, oh. So it is true. I heard that your son is building a house around here. But I thought it was a lie. But now I've seen for myself. Hey, thank God.
You heard what?
I heard that he's building a house.
This house is being built by my brother.
Hey.
My brother that has been living in America for the past 10 years. Yes! He remembered the good things I did for him. I was his pharaoh then. Now he is my pharaoh. I am the Josephine of our time. He's the one building this to appease me for all the good things I did for him when he was much younger. Yes!
Really?
As Furochi at that 4-4.
Yes,
but
so
he remembered.
Really?
Yes.
Interesting. Then your brother must be a very good person.
Oh my God. What we want them, Larry.
May God bless him for his
Amen.
goodness. God must surely bless him.
Amen.
Hey.
Amen. Amen.
Hey. Hi, Nadile, how about your son? Have you heard from him?
From where? Hear from who? Since my son traveled, I have not heard from him. I know my son is suffering in Obodo Yibo. Obodo Yibo is not easy. People, when you travel abroad, everybody be expecting you to be pumping money. As if the money there grows on trees. They suffer to make money. I don't even know if he has a phone yet to call me. How will he reach out to me? No, it must be through a phone. Right now, I don't even have a phone. So how will he reach me? I don't even know whether he has made money to buy phone yet.
My sister, you're right. Obodo Yibo is very, very tough.
I know.
It's very, very tough indeed.
You're talking as if you have been to Obodo Yibo before.
But I used to.
You hear them?
I used to.
It's good.
Okay. God will help him.
Amen.
God will bless him.
Amen. Amen.
Let me be going.
No, there is no chair here. You should be going.
Don't bother your family.
You should be going.
Why don't you? Hey.
Wicked woman. Wicked. Snooping around, gossiping. I heard. Who told you? You want to come and bury charm here? God has exposed and disgraced you. That your charm at Ogoginaro. Bad belly. Rubbish. I heard. Who? No, from I heard people say, I thought it was difficult. Have you gone there before? And who kept this thing here?
I took you as a friend. I took you like my blood. I took you into my life as my brother.
Can't you see I'm on call?
So you're on call. I am telling you that Izuna is outside. He say he wants to see you. Say you're on call.
Yeah, okay. Go out there and tell him that I am on call. Stop disturbing me. Oh, why are you look, get out.
Don't shout at me. Shout at me.
I don't understand though. Boy, messenger. Neko. Don't mind this, my brother. He's really giving me headache in this house, so honestly.
She's answering call. I don't know the kind of call she's answering. She's there, just there at the backyard answering call. I don't understand how.
Of course, you know I love you too. Huh? Don't worry, I'll come back. Huh? I'll come back when I'm done building my house. Is there anything you need? Just say it. Anything you want me to do for you, just say it. You know I'm well to do. No? Yeah, that's okay. How is everyone? Really? That's beautiful. It's a good news. Huh? Good. Alright, alright.
Tracy the call.
Are you serious? What's not like that? I've been calling your phone, you're not picking my calls. What's going on?
Why will I take your calls? Did you buy any phone from me?
Are you serious?
Yeah. Listen, I'm tired of this relationship or whatever it is that we have been doing. I'm tired.
But we were cool. What happened? Why did you get tired of me all of a sudden?
You and me were cool. Oga, I was just managing, calming down. Let me know if you will make money and come to pay my bride price. Then okay, he tried for an answer saying, don't even try with me. Why would you buy me water? Why would you buy me water? Take a good look at me. Do I look like I am getting younger? Huh? You want me to enter menopause before you come and marry me? No, you want me to remain in my father's house and be dragging parts with this Agadia Kwenka, this old man that call himself my brother. Let me tell you. Allow me to follow the man that has already made it. What can I bear? Let me follow him and marry. Not when I enter menopause now. You don't want to chop up, you will look for a young girl to marry and abandon me.
So you are dumping me?
Okay, I have dumped you if that is what you will understand better.
Are you sure this is what
you are dumped? I'm very sure.
Like you're not drunk for sure?
No, I don't understand. Okay.
Enjoy. I wish you the best.
I will enjoy. Look at I believe you've not seen my phone. Look at my phone. It's an iPhone. You've not seen it. Careful. Why are you doing the work? Finish the work now.
I can't believe you're doing this. I can't believe you're doing this. What is all this change about? What is this change about?
Chetanna.
Huh?
Chetanna.
Huh?
I am warning you. I'm warning you severally in this house, but you don't want to behave yourself. I will kiss you.
Stop that.
I will break your head. You don't want to behave yourself in this house.
Time now. Hey, enough. Enough. Can't I have peace here? What is it? Your sister is old enough to take her decisions. If she said she doesn't want his own again, allow her be now. What is the problem?
See wahala. What's this? Huh? This idiot here, this rascal will be acting like my guardian angel. Are you the one that fits me? No, what does that mean? You want me to continue suffering? Chaitanya, look at me from head to toe. Do I look like someone who deserves to suffer? I deserve to live a good life.
Is that the simple reason why you will go to Okechukwu's mother to collect an iPhone? To collect an iPhone? And what is happening now? You're treating Izuna like a total stranger. Wait. That is my point now.
Look. This big phone you're holding.
Yes, Papa, that is the phone.
From Okechukwu?
Yes.
Wait. If you have decided to leave Izuna and move on with your life, I don't have any issue with that. But you see, involving yourself with that Okechukwu, the same betrayer that betrayed Izuna. Now.
That is my point. What am I saying? This is my point.
Your point, it's a point. Papa, I don't understand what you're trying to say. I don't understand. The main point here is that Okechukwu will bring us out from poverty. No. Are you enjoying this kind of lifestyle you are living, Papa? No. Eh? He will take us out from this poverty-stinking village. Even this Efule we have the chance to travel to America.
Papa, is that what Okechukwu has been feeding you? Is that what he has been telling you? Okechukwu, I know, will simply use you. He will use you. Okechukwu is a spoiled brat. Everybody knows. Okechukwu is a spoiled. See, you will end up regretting this. You will regret this. iPhone!
That we regret it. Look at you.
iPhone!
You look like a
iPhone!
You are already regretting your life with your nonsense hairstyle.
No problem.
You will regret it all the rest of your life. Look at this one. What do you mean? Who will regret it? I will regret it.
Your screen will even break very soon. I will never. No, what is it?
Papa.
And you.
Papa. No problem. So why do I don't have anything? Just let me be this time. Just allow me to let me live my life.
Mama, iPhone! Papa, look at the way iPhone is using my sister. This is not my sister. This is iPhone!
My son, it is okay. Do not trouble yourself. Every disappointment has a reason. God knows the best. And He must surely see us through. It is okay. Stop crying. Let's learn on how to leave those who abandoned us and move on with our lives. Okay? It's okay. I know you will make it one day. God will surely see us through. God will not abandon us like this. What you did is right. It's okay. What? Odogum. Ago.
How come he's building a house in such a short time?
Don't you think you're over-assuming things? Yes. You might be wrong, you know.
Which is why father has to investigate the rumor. What if it's true?
Listen to me. What that young man decides to do with his money is no one's heck. The young man saw an opportunity and grabbed it, unlike Izuna, who refused to grip the opportunity as it were.
Father, I stopped by to inspect the house and the car he bought for his mother. Yes. Father, I must tell you for free that the amount of money he is pumping into that building is not a small money at all. It's not a small amount of money at all. He needs to be investigated, Father.
You mean you went to investigate someone's house out of rumor? What? Why have you decided to bring yourself so low? What do you stand to gain, my princess?
Mom, you may think I'm doing this because of Izuna.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. I have not seen Izuna for a couple of weeks now. But father, Okechiku's family needs to be investigated. I know what I'm saying. How does he make such huge amount of money in just a short period of time? It's not possible, father.
I will fix this.
This one you visited my flat. And the grandma, hope all is well.
Of course, I came to welcome our new arrival.
You don't come now, making see things and things.
You're welcome.
Hustling begins.
You're welcome. Yeah? Welcome to America.
Thanks, man. No lie.
Yes, of course, I know how you've been spreading my name in the village, saying that I am building a house and I bought cars for my mother with my hard-earned money, not with your father's money. You know, boss, like, come on. I know you've been sleeping around with my woman, Chioma, but it's none of my business. Now listen to me. Here is America. Do everything possible to stay off my path. Else, you'll feel the heat. You will face my wrath.
Okay, Chuku. Okay, one. Okay, wait though. You get morale. You get ododo. That's your inner chest starch. You enter my flat. As if you know they enough, you dey blow bars inside my flat. See you on top this. Okay, when you start to speak English. No, I could check out. Now because you enter America. You see get morale, he dey GK my younger brother. Now my younger brother is GK for my present. Okay, he dey Jones. Something worry for it. See, okay, stay with you. Make a no change for you. Something. Get out. Come on. Hey. Come on, get out.
Chance the boy, sir. Betrayal, sir. You're talking to a very big guy. Which one, sir? Nawala. Who are you?
You're a very big guy.
Who are you? Hey. One thing I one over there. This is America. I'll frustrate you. I will. You know me.
Okay, see, make I tell you one thing. Make I copy my inner chest and assistance now. If no be say na America would day. If to say you day outside or one place, so one-on-one, okay, I go put up for your body.
Shut up.
I go run and tag you.
You don't feel do nothing. This is America.
Okay, wait, see, okay? Okay, no, see, I go be. Ide Jones, shut up! Ide Jones!
Zubby, it's here!
You go blow me short.
Like that.
You go blow me short.
Like that. Like that.
Okay, wait. So because of all this small selling and what they do, where they use $5 they go do.
No be shobo.
You say you go blow me short.
No be shobo. No be shobo.
I want to disembark.
What are some capondele?
Disembark!
Shut up! Come on, why are you so Mogo. Dollar.
Okay, you enter my crib. Now me you come baby.
You
GK my brother for my phone. Okay, no. Okay, see, one-on-one, I go lap you for villa. Okay, this will do America. You go see for village.
Leg Igwe.
Okay, I go run enter you.
Leg Igwe,
Buy one now. Go see for villa. Go see for villa. Shut the door as they go. No worry, you don't play your tape. See okay. See okay, they speak English. They Hi, America don't package moguls. America package you well. Hi, America package okay. If no be saying America would day. A Bobby. Okay, Mora no reach to enter my mat. Come day here.
they kill you. But no problem now. No one. Okay, because all these sponsors selling when they go do with $5. But they go tell you. I go make Okechukwu believe.
Let me digress a little. You see, I have a brother that has lived in America for the past 10 years now. When he heard I sent my son, I betted from this womb for 9 months. I carried him. When my brother heard I sent him to America, my brother said, oh, my sister is a good woman. My sister is a strong chichicho woman. I have sense. He decided to start blessing me. Blessing me. When it comes to your brother and your blood